Nah, I really need that money. Oh. They say without that money now, I no go fit write exam.
No say that na the only house rent. Na my house rent na can remain. I no get money now.
I beg now. God go bless you with another one here. Just help me with that one.
I need. Now the money be that.
Oh, you give me the money.
Now 200 naira notes. That's why it's all up like that. Don't you want to gather this house rent?
Oh, thank you very much.
I beg you, let me do something. I beg, my babe come you collect my house rent too. Say you want use and pay school fees. You just come up for any day, go as I beg. If you help me rob am, don't rob and collect the money, bring am come. I'll give you small. I beg.
Oh, no problem, no problem. That one not be problem at all. All right.
Mommy, yeah, me jungle over. This your love when me taking over.
What? Phone call? Phone call? Phone call?
Mommy, yeah, me jungle over. This your love when me taking over.
What? King Jesus is Lord. Apostle, we hear of this.